Okay, so guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, what I want you to understand is that if you can see the market is creating a break of the structure, also here break of the structure, but I want you to show you something here. The market at first it was here, okay. So you can see there's just something I want to show you before we continue back testing. Okay, so you can see the market has been creating a break of the structure, and this was where the market structure shift happened. So you also have to identify the move that led to the market structure shift. So this was the last move here, and you can see the market did mitigate this one. So that's why we'll be using this lead candle here as our area of value. That's why I'll be looking to buy the market from here. Okay, now once I have this a break of the structure here, so this one is a strong area. So if the market can close below the area, it is a sign that the market is going to be coming down. So let's just reprice. So basically you can see here that buyers here were introduced. That was on Monday. We expect on Tuesday to have a continuation to the, so you can see that on Tuesday we expect to have a continuation either to the upside or to the downside. So here that was on Monday, that was on Monday. Then Tuesday, the market continued to move up because it has tapped into the level of demand. So it's the same principle. So you can see the market has broken the structure. What did it do? It created now an area here. Okay, so let's push the price up. So you can see the market retest my zone. Then I have a very beautiful entry that was on Friday, and on Friday guys is a very good day to sell the market. Then I'll be targeting this area here, downside here, 6 hour trade. Okay, then let's pre price. You can see the market moved up, tries to drop, it tries to move up. That was on Friday. Then Monday it continues to drop to the downside. Let's just pre price, and the market, you can see it smashes our TP. Now I want you to see now how the market reacts to this area of supply, because when I started trading, okay guys, so this is how it does. Now I want you to see something. I deployed this price up to at this particular level here to show you this move here, which is now happening, which is tapping into my area of demand. Now what I want you to understand is that whenever the market is tapping into the area of supply or into an area of demand, please take note of how the market is rejecting on that area and look at the day. Is it on Monday? Is it on Tuesday? Is it on Saturday? You're not just going to be trading anyhow or blindly, because you're going to be losing a lot of money. So basically what we want to see is, we want to see, is the market really going to go up? Because you have to put a lot of things in your favor, because we also believe that this was a break of the structure which happened here, and we believe that the market still intact into the upside. So this area here will act as an area of inducement. Once the market takes out this area of inducement, we are expecting the market to continue to move up bullish. So this here is a very valid high, which is just here. So we have a valid high just above. So that's a buy side liquidity. So that's a valid high. So you can see once the market takes out the buy side liquidity, you expect the market to drop, right? But it has tapped into the level of demand. So this is a market structure shift. Okay. So this here is going to be marked as a market structure shift here. Then this one here will be a break of the structure. Okay. This will be a break of the structure. So this is the one trade I'll be taking. Then after that, guys, uh, we'll be doing a top-down analysis. Let's just see for weekly for this pair. So you can see the market makes a break of the structure, then immediately it's pushing back. So I want you to see this. This was on the breakout happened on Friday. Then on Monday we expect to have a reversal inside, okay, to fill in all forms of inefficiency. Then that was now, this was Wednesday, Thursday. You can see we continued now Friday. That's when you're going to have a very beautiful move here. I'll be even putting my target up to the last high. I will tell you the reason why. Okay, so this will be my target. So here, these are the types of trades whereby if you can enter full margin, I don't know. That's why they say forex is the way. Okay, have you seen how the market goes to my direction? It's just pushing up, 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 up. What happens? You can see the market after it is reaching this area here, because this area here there is a lot of sell orders. They started like to consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. This is the very strong area. So what you want to see here is, since the market created a shift in market structure, this one already respected, this one also respected, we can still be looking to buy here. If it can drop down there, you can see it even feels like to come back there. It just made a quick sweep. Okay, then it's now trying like to drop. So let's just wait. Okay, you can see the market now sweeps this area. Then I believe now it's going to continue up to my direction. So I've been trading set and forget strategy currently. I don't want to be like you enter, then you trail the stop loss. I don't do that. Let's just prepare. What I usually do is I follow the market, and you can see the market hits my take profit. Okay, so guys, that's how we trade. So let me just take one more trade with you, and we are gonna continue to do the what we are here for Monday night analysis. Okay, now since we have this low here and we also have this high here, we believe that the market is bullish. There's no need like to be confusing anything, right? The market is bullish. So what you will do here is, if the market is bullish, you can see it stays in previous highs, right? You buy, right? So we have one, two, three. Then that was on Wednesday. So the market is gonna continue to drop, okay? And what I wanna see, that was on Wednesday. Thursday doesn't reach any level of supply. That is on Friday. We can have expecting something up. Okay, then you can see that was on Friday. Bulls try to push the price up, and then you are dropping. This is on Tuesday. Then the market is trying to drop, because on Tuesday most of the market continues. On Monday, that's where now you can see this is on Tuesday. The market put back there. This is on Tuesday. We expect the market to continue to drop until maybe up to here. The next mistakes you have to avoid is, do not be entering markets anyhow. Wait for the market to show you. Once it breaks this pink line, I'll be looking to short the market. Let's wait. You can see the market created a hold here. It tries to push up. What happened? It failed, and this is a very strong move. And this is on Tuesday. Basically, me on Tuesday, I look for continuations to the downside or to the upside. Okay, so I'll be targeting the lows, and let's see if you're gonna have a win or a loss. You can see the market continues to push into my direction, and hit my take profit. So guys, that's how we usually trade. Okay, uh, just look at what the market is doing. Look at also the days. Okay, so here we bought. Look, they just brought, but here also, this is now where we bought. That's again the market. That's where it is coming. Now look at also the reaction on this area. Yeah? Okay, also look at the reaction. Let's see. You can see the market is now holding on this area. It's a strong area, right? It broke. You can see we respected. But I want you to understand something. Since the market, you have a high and a high low, a high. So if I'll be buying here, my target will be just this high. Then I'll be looking to sell on the same area there. Let's just wait. And the market is my take profit. Simple and straightforward. Now, once the market reaches this broad area whatsoever, but for me to be honest, I wanted the market to hold from here. But what happened? It has broken my area, showing that okay, the bulls are more like willing to continue the price to go down, up, sorry. So we have to be patient enough. So you can see what happened. The market created a fake out. This fake out was on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday the market like continues. So this is on Tuesday. You can see that on Tuesday the market is now gonna continue to thrive down. Then I'll put my target will be just lower. just like that. You know, in life, it's not that every time you're going to get it right. So this was a loss for me, guys. So this was I wanted you to know. In life, you're going to have losses. In trading, you're going to have losses. So you can see this was a move. The market did a break of the structure. What would have waited was wait for the market to induce this bias here. Then you can continue the bullish momentum. You can also see just from here that the market is breaking the area. Let's just wait. Then here, this is a very strong area. You can see the market. You can see after that it broke this level, it induces this area. Then what I did is I sold. Stop loss will be just below, just like that. Target at least twice my risk. Okay, I will just follow in the trend and learning from my mistakes. Okay, you can see the market. Okay, so that's currently where we are, but I'm buying this pair. You can see, as for me here, I bought it, came, it respected it. If it wanted to take me out, it would have already taken me out. It takes the inducement. Then you can see we expect the market to move up, but again, it fails. Move up, it found some resistance here, then it's trying like to drop, take out this low. So if it's gonna be dropping, guys, I believe that the market will be coming to take out the low. So we shall just do this. We can believe that the market might be coming to take out the low. So you can see that the market is still bullish, the pound pair, but you can still be looking at this area here to see, since the market was pushing up, led to a sweep of the liquidity. Then once the market sweeps this area here, we can see what the markets will be trying to do. Okay, just from here. Okay. So you can see the market here is trying like to hold here, it has hold. So we expect the market to continue to the downside. Okay. So and you can see that this here is Monday. And believe me, this was on Friday and Monday here. On Monday, we're just going to have a small move. Then my tomorrow we're going to have a continuation. Okay. So we're just going to have a small move on Monday. A small bullish move. Uh that won't be that much hard. I think it can even be reaching here. Uh here guys, this is the secret. I'm telling you, no one will tell you this. I think on Monday that's where the market will be reaching, guys. Then you can see here it did hold a bit. So I'm expecting if the market can move up a bit, then if it can retest these areas, and I want the market to do something like this. If it can move like this, maybe boom, then again to continue to the downside. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, that's the main thing we are looking for. Okay, since this one has already been respected, that area there that has been respected, I was expecting like to drop to take out the lows. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. So this is the 4 hour time frame I'll be watching for, but my entry will be on the 15 minutes or on the 5 minute time frame. So you can see the market creating a series of high highs, a high low. So this is a high, a low. So don't confuse. So if you see the 15, the 1 hour is in a downtrend. So this is a low, this is a low, a high, a low. This is the low, right? And this is the high. Okay. So the market is very simple. So this is what we want to see. Once it breaks this high, then we'll be dropping. Simple. Simple. So that's guys what currently I'm looking for. Even if I can go to 30 minutes, you see it's the same thing over and over. We want the market to reach at least that area there, then to drop. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure uh to subscribe to my channel and support the boy. So that's where the market is going to be going. Peace out.